Alright guys, look, check this out. We in a blizzard. We got the tire popped. Me and my homie Ray, we're out here in the snow. Like, we really out here. Like, for real. We're not playing. And we're like, maybe like 14 miles away from Carson City. If anything, just, we love y'all. Please, you know that we care. And we cared and we care. Because we still out here. So, if anybody sees this, we good.
For sure.
He's like, for sure.
Oh, man.
It's good.
I'm looking at the car.
Good. We got snow out here, really. All we can do is just thank. We can just be grateful for this moment because it teaches us a lot. You feel me? We out here in the snow, really. Like, for real. I'm trying to really try this right now.